Sometimes they don't know what they're doing. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long. I'm so sorry that I left you guys for so long. It's just been so much going on. Oh my gosh, so much craziness. But however, your girl is back with another video. So anyways, judging by the title, you already know what this video is about. And we are sharing tea, we are sharing knowledge, and we are dropping gems right here, right now. Are you tuned in? Oh. So, in this video today, we are going to be talking about the real reason your locks are not growing, baby. Why aren't your locks growing? You want to know why? Make sure you stay tuned throughout the entire video. Don't forget to give this a nice thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed and would love to join the family. I'd appreciate it. If you want to click that notification bell, therefore you'll be notified when me, her, she posts new videos. We are going to get right on into it. So let's go. So the real reason your locks are not growing, baby girl, baby boy, child, get it together. Okay. She has her what? Her handy dandy notebook. If you watch my videos, you know that this notebook is my life and I write all my notes in it. So shoulder off or shoulder on? Maybe shoulder on. I look more sophisticated when I'm giving you guys advice. Do you guys like her fit for the day? Yes. She's giving you life. Ooh. She is pants. She moves. Boom. My bun is about to fall out. Lord child, if it falls out in this video, just know I tried because I have in braids, as you can see. Do you guys like my hairstyle? She's cute. So I'm gonna have to say my number one thing for why your locks are not growing, and this is also for people that don't have locks, that just, you know, why isn't your hair growing? Hold on, I have to show the elephant. She's cute. Too much product. You guys are using too much product, and this is causing buildup in the scalp. Yeah, like every once in a while, like a few times a week, I like to take like just even a plain paper towel. I dampen it with water, and I just like kind of a circular motion gently rub the scalp, like, you know, try to rub some of that product out, because you don't want to put, but then this is before I put fresh product in. I'm not just gonna rub my scalp and then not replace it with nothing. But before you put grease on your edges or whatever it may be throughout the scalp, sometimes you want to just take a little wet paper towel and just, you know, just a little, you know. That's my preference. A lot of people may not agree with that or may not do that. Oh wait, hold on, let me turn her on. Okay, much better. I just realized that she was off. And I would definitely say too much buildup sometimes would not allow your scalp to produce new hair follicles and grow, because it's just the grease is clogging your pores. My other thing is also washing too much. Washing your hair too much can also be damaging, because it is not allowing your hair to get, like, I can't explain it, but like, okay, when your hair is dirty, it grows. I know, like, that's so gross. Like, no one likes to have dirty hair, but when you have locks especially, it is kind of okay to, like, you know, you don't have to wash your hair every 2 weeks. That's all I'm saying. When it comes to you having, you know, loose hair, you know, regular hair, loose hair, if that's something you do, wash it every 2 weeks, then, you know, cool, kudos. But when you have locks, it's kind of different. I know some people do suffer with dandruff and things of that nature, so they have to wash their hair a lot. It grows when it's dirty. I know that sounds bad. Sorry. I just like to speak from my own beliefs and experiences. My next theory is my next theory is letting too many people do your hair, baby girl. Like, no. First of all, I say this in almost all my videos. I don't let nobody do my hair. Sometimes they don't know what they're doing. So it's like, baby girl, you might be like, you know, not everybody has those magical hands that's going to help nourish your hair. So I would definitely advise you to learn how to do your hair yourself. Granted, we can all get dolled up and get pampered and go to the salon every once in a while, or if you know, want to do it whenever you want to get your hair done, you go to the salon, that's totally fine. But what I'm saying is at least know how to wash your hair yourself, or like just do simple things at least, and that will create your hair to be more healthy. Because when you have constantly someone else doing your hair, like, I don't know, it could just be me, like, I don't know, I don't want y'all to get the wrong assumption, but I'm just being real. Y'all know me, like, I'm just real. I'm going to just keep it raw and tell y'all what it is and how I truly feel. But however, you can find those people that are old school when it comes to locks and really know the rawness of how to take care of locks. A lot of new people that are just learning, they don't know that over twisting is a problem, twisting too tight is a problem, you know, too many updos is a problem. Yeah, like, so that can be causing your hair not to grow, as I said in some of my previous videos. Twisting too tight, twisting too often, doing too many strenuous updos and things like that. That will thin your hair, weaken your hair when you have locks. My next advice I would say to maybe why your hair is not growing or giving you that gradual length is once it gets a certain length, and maybe like here, right? Boom. I would say trim it, even if it's in the least amount, even if it's this much. For some very odd reason, I think that works. When you trim like your dead ends, even with loose hair, when you trim your dead ends, your hair grows better. It grows evenly. It grows healthier. So what I like to do when my hair gets a certain length, I trim it. Sometimes I trim this. Most of the time, this is like the least I trim. Like, I try to trim like about this much. I recently trimmed my mom's hair because her hair stayed at the same length for a few years, and she was wondering, like, you know, why aren't my locks growing like gradually? And I said, well, Mom, I told her my trick. Well, I like to trim my locks, so maybe that will work for you, trimming your locks, and maybe it'll grow better. So I trimmed hers, and look, it started growing past the length that it stayed at for years. So that's just my little testimony. I don't know if it's gonna work for you, but you can try it. My next one is too dry. Your hair is too dry. Locks need moisture. Locks soak up moisture. You need to moisturize your locks, baby. Okay? Okay. So moisture is key when it comes to locks. Because if you don't, it is going to be weak. It is going to pop. It is going to be brittle. You guys get the point. My next thing is just simply not taking care of them. Your hair is not going to grow if you're not going to take care of it. Because it's going to, you know, you're going to have a lot of just, yeah, I don't know. Even loose hair. I like to relate a lot of my videos to loose hair as well, because I want everyone to relate to my videos. If you don't have locks, you can still watch my videos. You know, I don't want you to think, oh, I don't have locks, I can't watch your videos, because it's not going to be helpful towards me. It will. Same way of not taking care of loose hair. Your hair is not going to grow. It's going to break out. It is going to fall out. It's going to be dry. It's going to be damaged. Not sleeping with a silk scarf. Your edges are going to rub out. Yeah, you guys get the drill. Oh, my bun is falling. I'm trying so hard to keep it up. Do you guys like it? Comment down below if you like this hairstyle. I braided it recently, and the braids are kind of getting old. So I'm like, let me spice it up and put the little bun in the video, let's see. And I kind of like it. Something different. Kind of off to the side, you know, a little boom, boom, boom action or whatever. So I would say using too many different products can be a downfall as well, because you want to stick to the ones that you know helps your hair grow. It is okay to try new things. It is okay to try new products. However, you don't want to be jumping from this brand to that brand to this little thing that you heard about to this, to this, to this. And if this is something, even if it's $2, it's the cheapest looking thing, and it's, you know, if it works for you, it works for you. Just because it worked for her does not mean it's going to work for you. If it's something from the dollar store and you realize, oh, this dollar store shampoo is just making my hair flourish, and this $50 bottle of shampoo from wherever is like, maybe stick to the dollar store one. Like, it's okay. I was using a brand that was hella expensive, okay? And I was ordering it online. You couldn't even buy it in stores, and it dried my hair out so bad. I used it for about 2 years thinking, oh, it's expensive, so it works, it's so good. No. Now I use a $7 to $10 shampoo. It is bomb. I've been using it for so long, and girl, okay, that's all I gotta say. Not to toot my own horn, but toot toot. I'm sorry. I'm so corny. Oh my god. Okay, that's all I have to say about that. And that's just that on day. Oh, yeah, I don't know. That's my advice for why your locks are not growing, i.e. why your hair is not growing, because you're just simply doing this or not doing this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you, and I hope that you guys tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to your girl's, I'm about to say Instagram channel. So sad. YouTube channel. And speaking of Instagram, make sure you follow me at @TheZianaFrancis, because your girl is lit on the gram. Not really, but you know, you get the point. I will see you next time right here, same place, same right here, same place, same atmosphere. She ready. Bye guys. Mwah.